right, my friends, so today we're going to start off by reviewing some sight words. It's okay if you can't spell it, but I want you to try your best when I give you the word, okay? Okay, you have marking already set. All right, ready? This. Write the word this.
This one is pushed down. This one is pushed down. All of these are pushed down. No, mine is
Yours right, Susan.
This one is pushed down. This one is pushed down. This is already. This one is pushed down.
Put it right.
It's wild.
Okay, next word was, write the word was. Okay, next word, write the word went. All right, so now I want you to put the tops of your markers, erase your board super duper quickly. Let's do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can push those forward for me. All right, so today, my friends, we are going to read a book. And the name of this book is called City Animals. And it's about different animals in the city. So let's think for just a second, what kind of animals have you guys seen in the city? Aiden.
I've seen monkeys.
In the city? Where in the city do you see those?
At the zoo.
Oh, okay. All right. Nia?
I see, when I was at the circus, I see some animals. I see a tiger, and I see an elephant, and I see one of those cannibals.
Okay, cool. So today, when we're reading this book, look down, Sienna. When we're reading this book, we're going to focus on our fluency. That's how smoothly we read something, okay? So when we come across different things, you might hear me tell you a little bit about your fluency. While you're reading, you're going to be reading at a noise level 1. Okay, that's a whisper. Okay, when I tap in front of you, you're going to read just a teeny bit louder. Okay. All right, are we ready? Okay, you can go ahead and open to the first page and begin reading. Chandler, I'm going to start with you. Okay.
Many people live in cities. Many people live in cities. Many kids
Go back to
kids live in cities too. Kinds of animals live in cities too.
Yeah, let's go back and see if we can reread it. Let's put some words together so it sounds smooth.
Mice live in cities. Many people live in cities. Eat food. Many people work away. Geese
and ate it. Read a little bit louder. Okay, so let's read that one.
This one is
Start here.
cold.
Check the picture.
Check the picture. Squirrels live in caves. Squirrels make nests in trees. Squirrels live in caves. Squirrels make nests in trees.
Go back to that.
Live in cities. Some people like
Check the picture.
to build
Does that look right? Oh, I see a spelling pattern that we've been learning about here. What sound is that going to make? But it's followed by I or E. What sound is it going to make? G is followed by I or E. It makes when G is followed by I or E, it makes what sound? Okay, so sound it out. Look at the picture. Does that make sense?
Pigeons live in
And
cities.
you
Some people like to feed pigeons. They feed food.
Alright, Sienna, read just a little bit louder for me.
Live in
Keep going where you are.
They make nests in cities. They tall things.
Okay, can you reread the sentence for me?
At night. In cities. Dogs live in cities. They make nests. People
Take a look at that word again. Look at the middle sound. What sound do you see? What sound?
Raccoons
What
live
sound?
in
Do you see
the
that?
city. They too.
Okay, now,
Raccoons live in cities. They take food from trash.
okay. So what's the word?
Ew.
Okay, reread the sentence for me.
Raccoons live in cities. They take food from trash bins. Animals around. Do you see animals where you live?
That's a tricky one. That word is
What?
kinds.
Kind of animal do you see?
Now, I want you to reread this. Put some of these words together so it sounds really smooth when you're reading it, okay?
Dogs, cats.
And you read this a little bit louder for me. Ladies, read it again for me. Okay, look at the picture. What do you see? Okay, so does that make sense?
Yes, we do. I get it. Wait,
Go for it.
I said the record. My friend, the raccoon, they What kind of animal do you see?
Chandler, lower your voice.
Parks.
Sound.
Squirrels live in cities.
What sound is that gonna make?
Crows make nests
Okay, blend.
in trees.
Sound.
Penguins
What I see right here.
in cities. Some
I see G that's followed by I or E. It's gonna make what sound?
penguins.
Okay. So sound. Blend. Look at the picture. Does that make sense? Okay, keep going.
Live in cities. Like to feed pigeons.
All right. So friends, we're gonna stop right there. Let's close our books. Now remember I said we're gonna talk about fluency. Okay, fluency is how smoothly you're reading. Because when you're reading, it should sound just like you're talking. Just like I'm talking right now, that's the way I want to be able to read, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go to that first page, page 3. And we're gonna work a little bit on our fluency there, okay? So, listen to me, and I want you to tell me if I read it smoothly or not. Here I go. Many people live in cities. Was that very smooth?
No.
Did that sound the way I was talking?
No.
Listen to it this time and tell me.
Many people live in cities.
Thanks, Mia. All right, listen to me. Here we go. Many people live in cities. Did that sound smooth?
Yes.
It sounded like I was talking, right? So that's what I mean when I say fluency. Look at the second sentence, okay? So we're gonna put maybe 2 words together each time we're reading to make it sound more fluent. So put your finger on the first word. And let's read the first 2 words of the sentence. Ready, set, read. Many kinds.
Many kinds.
Let's try it again. Ready, set, read.
Many kinds.
Now, put your finger on the word of. We're gonna put of and animals together. Ready, set, read. Of animals. So now, let's go back and we're gonna say many kinds of animals. Ready, set, read. Many kinds of animals. Very nice. Now, let's try the rest of the sentence. Put your finger on the word live. We're gonna put live in cities together, okay? So it's gonna be live in cities. Ready, set, read.
Live in cities.
Nice. Now let's go back to the beginning. Remember the words that we're putting together for fluency. Here we go. Ready, set, read. Many kinds of animals live in cities. Okay? Put your finger on that last word of the sentence. 2. There was a comma there, so that told us to pause. Okay? So 2. Everybody say 2.
2.
All right, go back to the beginning of the sentence. Let's read it. Remember, we're putting those words together. Okay? Ready, set, read. Many kinds of animals live in cities too. Nice work. Catch those on back. Say, I did a good job.
I did a good job.
All right. So now let's move on to play a little sight word game. You can put your book up here with that right there. Now, this is a word that you guys reviewed earlier. Oh, wow.
We? What does that mean?
This is a word that we reviewed earlier. It was the word went. What's the word?
Went.
So we're going to play a little game. The game is called What's Missing. So I'm going to be taking some letters away, and we're going to see if you guys can figure out what is missing in my word went. Let's spell it really quickly. Here we go. W-E-N-T, went. Are you ready? What's missing?
W.
The W's missing. Oh my
We
goodness.
saw you.
What's missing?
E.
Hmm.
Okay. T. no N.
What's missing?
N. T.
What's missing? Oh, you already knew what I was gonna do. Okay, let me trick you just a little bit here. Now what's missing?
A.
So I can put the N here and the E here?
No.
Oh, the E goes first. E, then N. All right. Now, for our last activity, we are going to work with sound boxes. So you're just going to need your marker and your eraser.
I have the orange one.
Wow, Eden.
Oh, thank you. Eraser.
All right, let's see if we're ready. So the sound boxes we're going to use, you're going to choose which one you're going to need according to the word I give you, okay? So it might have two sounds. For example, the word play, PL would go in one box and AY would go in the next box, okay? Are you ready? All right. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Live. Okay, let me show you what I would do. Oh, I heard three sounds, so I heard three sounds. So you see how I separated each sound into my boxes just like that? All right, let's try another one. Are you ready? Waiting for you, Aiden. Erase your board. Let's try this one. Like. Nice work. Erase. 3, 2, 1. Let's try one more word. Feed. Okay, so Sienna, looks like you're missing a sound there. Feed. All right, erase your boards in 3, 2, 1. Nice work, ladies. Thank you so much for working hard. Pat yourselves on the back, say, I did a good job.
I did a good job.